Very good morning students, how are you? Today we will do English literature, okay? English literature, today we will read a poem, The Lazy Frog. If you access my YouTube videos, you will see already I completed this poem, the question answers, okay? Yes, very good morning. Yes, Shomili, yes, I am fine, thank you. So, today we will discuss and you can say today we will revise the poem The Lazy Frog. So, open your book, it is page number 78, clear? Page number 78 here, in this poem we see a lazy frog, okay? The poem is about a lazy frog and his name is Fred. So, let us read the poem. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day up on a log. That means Fred, the lazy frog, what he does every day, what he does each time, he lolls all day up on a log. Log, you know, trunk of a tree. He always manages to shut doing a single stroke of work. That means he does not do any work. Whole day he prefers to sleep. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help. He does not bother. That means he is very lazy. So his mother had to do all the household work alone, and whenever his mother calls him for help, whenever his mother calls, come in and help, but he does not bother. That means he does not listen to his mother. He does not bother to move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. That means when his mother is calling him to do some work or to help her in her work, he does not bother, and even he does not move 2 inches, and he prefers to be hard of hearing. Extremely hard of hearing means totally deaf. He pretends to be complete deaf. Deaf, you know, who cannot hear. Okay. If now come to the next para. If a lady frog hops past, you would think he would get up at last. Imagine if a lady frog is passing by. What do you think? He will get up at last? I mean, at least we can expect that he will show some courtesy to a lady frog. We can expect that, but to bow and help her on her way, but no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by. Now come to the fourth one, but no, I am ashamed to say. That means if you expect that Fred will stand up, he will show the lady frog on her way, he will help her on her way, but no, it does not happen. So I am ashamed to say, the poet is saying he is ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. That means whenever a lady frog comes by, still he will not open his eyes, still he will not bother, he will not show any courtesy, he will not behave like a gentleman. That means he will not help his mother, he will not respond to his mother's call, and even he will not behave like a gentleman in front of a lady frog. This is the poem. So, in this poem, who is asking ki you think? Syllabus will be given, okay? Syllabus will be given, don't worry. Now, yes, Archishman, I am fine. Thank you. Shivam, yes. I'm fine, thank you. Somili also, thank you so much. Now, so here, what we learn in the poem, we see a lazy frog. Can you tell me the name of the lazy frog? Who can tell me? Who can tell me how is the lazy? What is the name of the frog? Who can tell me? Fred. Very good. Who? Archishman. Then Swastika, Shivam. Bah, very good. Very good. Noreen. Very good. So in this poem, we see a lazy frog. His name is Fred. He does not do anything all day long. It tells what Fred does all day. His mother asked him to come and help her, isn't it? His mother asks her to come and help her. But now you tell me, does he listen? Does he bother? Does he bother to his mother? No. Yes, he does not bother. He does not listen to her. He likes to sleep all the time. He does not open his eye. Even when a lady frog comes that way, he does not open his eye. When a dash comes that way. Now fill up the blanks. When a dash comes that way. Who can tell me? Who can answer me? Yes, Abhik. Very good, Abhik. Lady frog. So this is the poem. Avik, Chandrolekha, then Swastika, then Anik, Shivam. Yes, all the answers are correct. All the answers are correct. So this is the poem. So this poem you all enjoyed. Did you enjoy this poem, students? If you have any question, you can send your question in the chat box. Today's period is very short period, and the poem is also very short. So, any questions, students? So the poem is about a lazy frog, and his name is Fred, and he does not do anything. He does not listen to his mother. He does not bother whether his mother needs his help, or he does not behave like a gentleman. When a lazy frog is passing by, he prefers to sleep. He always lolls upon a log. He does not do anything all the day. This is the poem. Clear? Okay. Thank you so much, students. We will meet in the next class. Bye bye. Okay. Shibham, Anik Gupta, Bani Broto. Very good, very good. Yes, Anik Gupta, I know you are present. Aditya, Anik, Ankush, Abhik. হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে।